Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We're continuing our series about what you as a homeowner should know prior to investing in crawl space encapsulation. And today I want to talk about, is crawl space encapsulation a one-size-fits-all solution? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, indoor air quality, mold remediation. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell. Follow us on Facebook, and if you're a DIYer, you can check out our DIY store. If you're an entrepreneur, you can join our Crawl Space franchise family. And of course, if you need your crawl space inspected by one of our certified crawl space inspectors, we've got a link down below. So is encapsulation a one-size-fits-all for all homes? And we don't think that it is. Every time that we send one of our inspectors, one of our trained and certified inspectors out to visit you in your home, we are looking for the problems that are at your crawl space. Now, you could have a standing water issue where your neighbor doesn't have a standing water issue. You could have mold where your neighbor doesn't have mold. You could have high humidity where your neighbor doesn't have high humidity. You could have a 2-foot tall crawl space that's very difficult to maneuver because you got big pipes and ductwork going through it, when your neighbor's got a 6-foot tall crawl space and you can stand up in it and you're wondering why they didn't make it a basement, right? So you got different situations going on. So if you've got 3 or 4 people coming out to give you estimates and they're all talking about plastic and a dehu, we encourage you to find someone that is more along our lines of thinking, because there's more to encapsulating a crawl space than just vapor barrier and a dehumidifier. You should also consider taking care of soil gases. You should also insulate and air seal the crawl space properly. You should also make sure that if there's evidence of standing water, and what does that mean? Evidence of standing water means that if the foundation walls are moist with a meter, then there's a good potential that over time that water is going to start coming in to your crawl space. And if you got an inspector that doesn't use a meter on that foundation wall to see how wet it is, they're just going to look and say, oh, I don't see any standing water, so you don't need a waterproofing system. Well, we go it a step further. We want to not only fix what's going on, but we want to prevent problems that may arise in the future. Okay, you also want to check out if your door is properly air sealed or not. And of course, mold prevention is key, which is why we install dehumidification and the X70 protectant, which is a penetrant that goes into the wood and protects the wood from the inside out versus some kind of paint that you spray on all the subfloor and the mold can still be growing behind the paint. So if you're looking for a thorough custom inspection for your home to make sure your crawl space is done properly and it's worry-free for years to come, we encourage you to find a Crawl Space Ninja near you, have you check them out. Or if you're looking to do it yourself, check out a lot of our videos. We'll help you how to do that. Our DIY specialist will also give you some advice on how to take care of your own crawl space. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.